Welcome to Arham Design Solutions. In this video, I will show how to mesh a slab in ETABS. First, I will select slab. You can select slab it manually or from Model Explorer. Selecting from Model Explorer is easier and fastest way, so I will use that method. First, go to Properties and select slab. Then right click the mouse and select 100 slab. After selecting the slab, I will go to Assign. Then go to Shell and select Auto Floor Mesh. Here I will set the mesh size in 1 inch and then 1 inch. Then click on Apply. Then OK. Now the meshing is complete. To check the mesh, I will select one slab and go to Properties. Here you can see cookie card option in the meshing section. This means the slab has been meshed successfully. Normally we don't mesh membrane slab. We usually mesh only shell elements. Thank you for watching my video.